2009, IT consultant Patrick DeVos coined the term DevOps to bridge the gap between development and operations, speed delivery processes, and curb the drawbacks of Agile. Today, DevOps engineers play a crucial role in most tech companies, particularly in the early stages of the business. These engineers typically spend their day-to-day managing software development tasks and infrastructure, helping businesses launch reliable products early. My name is Dorcas Adebayo, a DevOps engineer at the Bob Africa, and today I'm going to run you through the steps you need to take to become a DevOps engineer in 2022. Number 1, an education or qualification in computer science. Companies seeking DevOps experts typically require that the ideal candidate has a solid understanding of information technology or software development. Hence, a degree in this field is a good place to start. Be sure to choose a degree that matches your interests and is in line with organizations you would like to work with or look out for. Alternatively, you could also consider boot camps or fellowship programs from top-rated organizations like the Bob Africa. Number 2, learn essential DevOps skills. To become and succeed as a DevOps engineer, you must first learn programming languages as they are needed for fundamental DevOps tasks. Learn languages like Python, JavaScript, Ruby, C#, and Node.js. Programming languages aside, other core DevOps skills you need to learn includes operating systems and Linux basics. Operating systems are programs that handle the execution of an application and act as an interface between the user and computer hardware. One of your responsibilities as a DevOps engineer would involve preparing the servers on which these applications are deployed. Hence, the knowledge of how operating systems works is essential. Particularly, I recommend learning and mastering Linux OS, as most servers you would work with are Linux servers. The next one is networking security and protocols. Learning the basics of networking security and protocols is required to configure the infrastructure. Networking security and protocols help in assuring the integrity and security of data in transition across the network connection. Learning how it works will help you configure firewalls to secure the application, understand how IP addresses, ports, and DNS work, and so much more. Some network security protocols you need to learn include HTTPS, FTP, SSL/TLS, and port forwarding. The next one we have is infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code, or IAC, is a crucial part of DevOps as it helps in provisioning and managing infrastructure through code or configuration files, rather than time-consuming manual processes which are prone to errors. With tools like infrastructure provisioning and configuration management, you can easily replicate and recover the infrastructure. The next one is live in terminals. Terminals help DevOps engineers automate and accomplish tasks on a system without using GUI, that is the graphical user interface. Hence, you should understand commands like text manipulation, process monitoring, and system performance. This is particularly crucial if you work with Unix or Linux. The next one is continuous integration and deployment, which is also known as CI/CD. One of the major responsibilities of a DevOps engineer is setting up a complete CI/CD pipeline. A continuous integration and deployment pipeline ensures that new updates are seamlessly integrated into existing applications and deployed to users in an automated way. To set up CI/CD, you need to learn how to use tools like Jenkins, GitLab, Travis CI, and Bamboo. The next one is cloud provider. Rather than manage their own infrastructure, most organizations now use virtual infrastructure as a service platform. Hence, DevOps engineers need to understand cloud technology, its benefits, requirements, and services. As these services vary per platform, you need to learn the services of a specific platform to use. For example, to use a powerful and widely used cloud platform like AWS, you need to understand EC2 service, VPC service, and IAM service. This isn't the same for tools. Other essential DevOps skills you need to learn includes web server, infrastructure monitoring, application monitoring, logs management, cloud design pattern, firewall, and forward proxy. Earn certifications and build your portfolio. After picking up some skills, try earning some industry-relevant certifications from notable organizations like the Project Management Institute or course providers like Coursera and Udemy. The next step would be to put your newly acquired skills to use. Working on real projects helps you perfect your skills and gives you some credibility. Recruiters aren't just looking for engineers with great certifications. They also want engineers whose skills have been put to use in real and existing projects. To bring this video to a close, you need to know that being a DevOps engineer is a long process that requires hard work and dedication. It is also a constantly evolving field, as the tools and technologies needed by engineers are always changing. Hence, I advise that you do not get too comfortable and stay updated on the latest trends and technologies. This will also guarantee your career growth and keep you ahead of the competition. Eager to learn more? Subscribe to our channel below and turn on your notifications to be the first to hear from us. There is always more.